Hello everyone, this is Arifraz here, and in this video I'm going to show you that how you can add drop down menus into your Shopify store. So let's get started. So this is our laptop screen. First of all, open your Shopify store dashboard and then click on online store. After that, click on this navigation button. When you click on this navigation button, you will see the navigations into your Shopify store. Okay, so you will see there are three types of menus like information, main menu, and this sport. Just click on this main menu. For example, I want to create the drop down menus into the main menu. For example, I want under the shop there are two collections like pant and shirt. So just click on this add menu item and search here for shirt, and then in the collections select this shirt collection. Okay, now drag this shirt collection under the shop and again here. Okay, and then again add a new menu item to shop. Just click on this pant. Okay, and select the collection here and click on this pant. Okay, you will just have to drag your pant to the left side. Okay, when you drag your pant collection to the left side, this will create the drop down menu under the shop. For example, I want to add about us also under the shop menu, so just drag about us. Okay, and drag it to the left side. When you drag it to the left side, this will be also added under to the shop menu. Okay, I will again set it here. After that, click on this save button. When you click on this save button, just visit your Shopify store now. Okay, when you click on this I button, you will see there is an arrow icon. When you click on this, you will see there are two types of collections are here that we have created, like shirt and pant. So through this process you can easily create drop down menus into your Shopify store. So if you like my video, then please subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon for more updates. Thank you very much.